Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Well, finally we see some movement, and even ADA is moving and started to move out of the support area. So started to reverse from the support zone now, and we could now be indeed in the third wave rally to the upside. I mean, it's a bit too early to really confirm it, but we are and were looking for a reversal from the yellow support zone, which does stretch down to 29 cents. And it is important to give the price that space, because we know that in such a wave 2, the price can come down quite deep if needed. Wave 2s scare people, scare traders, scare investors. However, we have a pretty clear 5-wave move to the upside here into the March high. And it's only a diagonal pattern though, so with diagonals they're always a bit messy and they are not as, let's say, clearly bullish as, for example, impulses. But the reality is, in the crypto world, wave 1s often start as diagonals, and then we get a deep wave 2, and the third is completely crazy then. And that third wave, as I mentioned already in the last videos, could start from this yellow support zone and could be one of the last opportunities to add positions before a third wave. Can I promise a third wave? No, but it's all about probabilities and reward and risk. If a third wave from here starts, it should take the price to $2 plus, more likely $2.40 plus, as explained in yesterday's video. We already looked at the upside targets here. That is based on the condition that the last low is already the low of the wave 2. After we completed 5 waves up, we call that a wave 1, which is the first wave of a larger 5-wave Elliott wave cycle. Then the 3-wave pullback. Typically 3 waves are counter trend moves and they correct the 5-wave advance that happened before. And then a third wave rally should normally follow next. If it starts from here or if we get one more low, that remains to be seen. But it looks already quite, let's say, positive. There's, however, one level that now needs to be overcome. And I'm going to zoom in now and take a look at it. That's, by the way, here the 51.6 cent level, the next structural resistance. I already posted an update about ADA on X earlier today. Feel free to follow us there if you are interested in additional updates. Yeah, you get all sorts of updates here as well. Okay, in addition to some other stuff as well that we don't publish on YouTube. So feel free to follow us there. Updated ADA a couple of hours ago. Highlighted the price has left the support zone to the upside. And wave 3 in yellow should reach 56.8 cents next. It takes 5 waves as shown in yellow, which reach 59.8 cents in 5 waves to indicate that wave 2 has formed a low. So we always need, after we come down into a support area, we need a 5-wave move above resistance to confirm a low is in. That's the standard process, okay? Just standard process. I could also guess that the low is in now. Wouldn't help anyone, okay? Wouldn't help anyone. I can only highlight to you 2 things. This is the area where we are looking for a reversal. So traders might already enter positions in these support regions. To confirm, however, from an analysis point of view, that a low is in, takes 5 waves up above resistance. Now, that doesn't mean that you as a trader need to wait for confirmation, of course. That's completely separate. It just means that from an analysis point of view, it takes the 5-wave move up to confirm a low has formed. That also at the same time will increase the likelihood that in a pullback, the higher low is going to form, a higher low, yeah? So 5 waves up, 3 waves down that I've just shown you in the beginning. In the large pattern, we should also see in the small pattern if 5 waves can form. But first, to get there, the price needs to, and we'll climb higher already, the price needs to break above 51.6 cents next. That is the Saturday high. And then we can look towards the 1.38 extension at 56.8 cents. Then we get a 4th wave and a 5th wave. And then it's looking good because we can then call that again a wave 1. Then we'll add an ABC pullback support zone for the wave 2 onto the chart. That could be shallow then though, okay? Don't necessarily expect another deep wave 2 Because if this is now a third wave, it will leave a lot of people sidelined. That's just reality, okay? That's just what it is. And therefore, these support areas can be so helpful to add positions, because if a third wave starts, it just leaves a lot of people sidelined so fast. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. That's the update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.